H30 zipper door installation steps. Select the appropriate height and fix the control box. Connect the motor wires corresponding to the U, V, W, PE for wire number connecting well. Then insert the encoder. Specific steps can be viewed in the manual. After connecting the wires, start to debug the upper and lower limits. The control box is touch screen. Click Setting. Enter the debugging page. Input the password 6. Click to confirm. When clicking on the green up button curtain down, then it is wrong. Select positive for the direction switch. Select the direction. Click on the up button. The door curtain rises to the right position. Note that the H30 upper limit should be raised to the reset wheel. Finish clicking. Press and hold the red down button. Lower the door curtain to the appropriate position. Click Finish. That is, the upper and lower limit position is completed. Next parameter setting, input the password 16. Select the opening speed. Enter the appropriate value. Click Save. Door opening and closing speed setting is completed. Test whether the door curtain runs up and down normally. Make sure the door curtain is not tight and not wrinkled. Next, connect the infrared controller wire. It is a 4-core wire with for colors gray, black, blue, and brown. For colors of wire corresponding to the line number. Access to the public terminal. Normally open no, power supply, 24 volts respectively. The normally open no corresponds to the infrared port of the control box. The brown wire is connected to the 24 volts port. The blue wire is connected to the 0 volt port. The gray line is connected to the COM port of the public terminal. The black wire is connected to the infrared port. Next step of infrared photo I code matching. Infrared controller is green when only the power cord is connected. Follow the instructions on the controller. Plug in the blue and black infrared wires. If the two sets of wires are connected to the wrong color case, green light is still displayed. Red light should be displayed when wired correctly. It is necessary to distinguish between the two groups of infrared wires. A and B red light is always on when both wires are connected. Then toggle the dial code to the right. Infrared photo eye can be used normally. The last step to pull out the bottom of the door curtain pocket airbag transmitter to connect the wire. The airbag receiver wire is a 4-core wire. Brown, blue, black, gray for colors of wire. In order to be connected to the 24 volts, 0 volt, normally open no, common terminal COM respectively. The airbag receiver after connecting the complete appearance of the wire. The other end of the wire into the control box, corresponding to the brown wire into the 24 volts port. The blue wire is connected to the 0 volt port. The gray wire is connected to the common COM port. The black wire is connected to the infrared port. Long press the code button until the green light is on. At this time, touch the airbag red light. Indicates successful learning. Fix the receiver port in the control box.